In order to find these large projects and the key people behind them, we're going to need to use this tool. So if I click on Sales Nav, it's going to take me into my account. And feel free, if you're not sure how to get access to this, just send me a message, reach out, and I'll point you in the right direction to do that. So what we need to do is come to the section here that says account filters. You'll see lead filters and account filters. If I click on that, we're going to be able to go find these projects that I'm talking about. We need to scroll down to where it says headquarter location over here on the left. And what you're going to do is put in your city. So I'll put in Melbourne, which is where I'm located. Next thing I'm going to do is type in government administration. Now, if you want to look for large companies, I'm using government projects as an example here, but let's say BHP. With companies like that, you know their financial information is available on the internet because they're publicly listed. So you can go and look at that to make sure they're not going to be folding anytime soon and you're going to get paid for your work. So that's another thing you can do, look for these very large companies and their projects. So if I type in government down here, government administration, it's going to bring up all the various government projects, bodies and so forth in Melbourne. And if I collapse this over here, you'll see there's 410 results. So what I can do is if I know the project I'm looking for, I can come up and use this keyword search bar and just type in that project and it's going to bring it up for me. If I want to browse and see what project opportunities exist and ones that my trade or construction company might like to potentially be involved in, I can start scrolling and taking a look. And we can see a few popping up: rail projects Victoria, development Victoria, level crossing removal project, major roads project, Westgate Tunnel project. So let's say you are interested in working on the level crossing removal project. What we can do is click on that particular project and it's going to bring up some key information. Now, this is where we need Sales Navigator. You'll see search leads. So what we have here are the employees from this project that we can access on LinkedIn. So if we click on all employees, it'll bring everyone up. So the key now is to actually find our decision maker that we need to build a relationship with. So what I'm going to do is look for that job title, and you'll likely know the type of person that you're looking for inside a project, whether it's a contract administrator, project manager, director, so forth. So if I type in senior project manager, what it's going to instantly do is filter this level crossing removal project down to the 26 senior project managers that now I have identified as the key people that I may want to start formulating relationships with. So what I need to do next is find out how am I going to formulate a relationship with someone like Scott if he's my target. So I might click on Scott, and first of all I'll check what part of the project Scott's working on. So he's working on the Hurstbridge line upgrade. So that's very valuable information because I can determine whether or not that's a part of the project that I'm interested in. Now, what's great about this, in highlights, I can see my best path in. So Sales Navigator is found our mutual connection in Ryan Richardson. So if I wanted to get access to Scott, what I could do is contact Ryan and say, hey Ryan, how well do you know Scott Nichols? And wait and see how closely connected they are. He might say, yeah, I've got a relationship with Scott. And then that's where my in would be. Hey Ryan, do you mind making an introduction to Scott? I'd love to see if I can support their work on the Hurstbridge line of the level crossing removal project. So that would be my in to this decision maker in this example.